Llama, Llama, Holiday Drama by Dewdney. Llama, Llama, holiday jingle, music, lights ablaze. Sparkly candles, yummy bread, dress up clothes in green and red. How long till that special date? Llama, Llama has to wait. Llama, Llama, holidays, ads and signs and store displays, fluffy snows and funny elves, goodies piled high on shelves. Just how many days to go? Llama, Llama wants to know. Time to buy and search and shop, Mama carries, Llama drops. Buy a friend a rubber duck, pirate ship or tractor truck, wooden blocks or building set, what will Llama, Llama get? Llama, Llama, holidays, hustle, bustle, cook and craze. Measure sugar, roll the dough, 10 more batches left to go. How many more days again? The special day is coming when? Take the cookies out to cool, frost a great big batch for school. Add some sprinkles almost done, teacher gets the fancy one. No more cookies left to bake, Llama, Llama, tummy ache. School has dreidels, songs and bells, big red ribbons, woodsy smells. Draw a snowman, make a star, decorate a candle jar. Are there many days to go? Llama, time is going slow. Mama needs a present too. Get some sparkle sticks and glue. Roll it up and wrap it how? Llama wants to give it now. Llama, Llama, holidays, unpack stockings, unwrap trays. Shiny silver, fancy plates, Llama, Llama, wait. Cut out snowflakes, take them up, pour some eggnog in a cup. Oops, it's yucky on the floor, Llama, Llama, wait some more. Stringing lights is not much fun. How come Mama isn't done? Is the day coming soon? Llama, Llama starts to swoon. All this waiting for one day, time for a present right away. Too much music, too much fluff, too much making, too much stuff. Too much everything for Llama. Llama, Llama, holiday drama. Come and listen, little Llama, have a cuddle with your mama. Sometimes we should take a rest and hold the ones we love the best. Wishing, waiting, wanting things, we forget what this time brings. Gifts are nice, but there's another. The true gift is we have each other. Llama, Llama, warm and snug, gives a kiss and gets a hug. Snuggles close with Mama Llama. Happy holidays for Llama.